How to sell a video game on eBay. Now, if you want to sell a video game on eBay, just simply open ebay.com and after that tap to these three bars from the top right corner. After going in there, you will get this option of sell. Tap to that, and then after tapping to sell, you will get this page. Just simply tap to list an item, and after that just simply search for game or video game. And after searching that, a lot of identical video games might appear in here. You just simply need to find your match, what you would like to sell. Now if you cannot find it here, you just simply need to tap and continue without the match option, and you need to select the condition of your item. If you have a brand new video game, or like new video game, or very good video game, or just acceptable, just simply select the condition and then tap to continue to listing. After doing this much, you just simply need to fill out all of the information about the product or the video game that you have in this section, starting with uploading photos and videos. You can upload up to 25 photos and one-minute videos in here. And after that, you need to title your video game, and then you need to provide the game name, game's platform, and you need to provide some optional additional information in this section. You need to provide everything that you can in this page, and you have a higher chance to get the item being sold faster. And after that, you need to set the pricing for your item. And after setting up the pricing, you have to set up the shipping details in this page, and after that you can set up a separate section for domestic shipping. And after doing all this, you can easily list your item by going at the all the way to bottom. Just simply tap to list it after filling out all of the necessary information. And this is how you can sell video game on eBay. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.